Welcome to the Dive Heart First podcast, where we clear out what has been troubling in the mind so that we can dive into the intelligence of the heart. I'm your host, Jenn Walker, and today we are going to talk about a decision framework. So, the author of Atomic Habits, James Clear, has a decision framework. And I first heard of it from a podcast, The Diary of a CEO, as they were discussing it. And it's something that has just stuck with me. It's a framework that I've noticed when I approach a new decision, I'm constantly thinking of it. And it's been very helpful. So because of that, I thought I'd pass it on and pass it forward to you today. So, what the framework is it a hat, haircut, or tattoo decision? So, most decisions are hat decisions. Hat decisions are the ones that you try on. If you don't like it or if it's not a good fit, you just put it back and you try a new one. Because of this, there is a very low cost of risk. So the only cost actually with this decision is the cost of wasting time to make the decision. So this is where you fail fast, fail often, fail forward. Velocity counts here. Move quickly, and the quicker you move, the quicker you'll receive data or information about that decision of whether or not to continue with that action or behavior or stop and try a new decision. So an example of this would be, say you want to switch up your morning routine, you try something on, you get new data information, whether you like it, whether it's working for you, and you keep that decision or you change it up in the future. If you have a business, a hat kind of decision might be a marketing strategy. So does it work? Who knows until you try it. So doing a little bit of research, not a lot of time, making decisions fast, putting it out there, receiving the data, information. If it's working, great. If it's not, then you make the next decision. So most decisions are hat decisions in life. Then we go to a haircut decision. And some decisions are haircut decisions, and no one wants a bad haircut. So this type of decision is where most people, not you and I, of course, but most other people get scared. And it's a risk worth taking. So this kind of decision can always be fixed. It might take some time and you might feel foolish for a bit, but that will pass. And I always think, on our deathbeds, we won't regret the things that we did do. We will regret the things we didn't do. So these are the risks worth taking. You might feel foolish, but I don't know about you. I always look to other people that take the swings in life, and I appreciate their courage. And if things don't work out, who cares? You just make the next decision. So examples of this might be changing your job. Or an example of this for me in my personal life was this recent move. It's a swing. It could maybe not work out well. Who cares? Then I would just move again. So that is an example of the haircut decisions. And then last and certainly not least, the fewest decisions in life are tattoo decisions. And tattoo decisions are the ones that leave a mark and that are irreversible. So the risk is high, so go slowly and think carefully. Examples of this would be marriage or starting a business. But this is where I kind of disagree with James on it being irreversible, because even a tattoo you can get removed, and even a marriage you can get a divorce, and you can dissolve a business. Even a bankruptcy, you start up from ground up. So if that leaves a mark, I would say that that is just just stuff around the stuff. It's the meaning. And if you watch the video on how to change any memory, that's talking about data getting stuck in the process of the mind and how to process and clear that through. Because I don't know about you, any major life mistakes that I've ever made has led to the magic along the way afterwards. So that is the framework. And for me, I have noticed that I just notice different decisions. I'm like, oh, that's a hat. Oh, that's a haircut. Oh, that's a hat. Very few tattoo decisions out there. And most people treat hat and hair cut decisions like tattoos when they're not. So I'd love to know what you think. What sort of thoughts, ideas, or insights around this framework has come up for you? Or how have you noticed that it's already applying to the things that you're thinking about and the decisions you're looking at in your life right now? So that's it for me. Until next time, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I love you, and go out and have an absolutely tremendous day.